Avvo Online Legal Consultations app. The pros, the cons. The Avvo Online Legal Consultations app promises quick access to legal advice, but most people get this wrong when they assume all legal issues can be handled online. The surprising truth is that for many routine questions, quick consultations can save both time and money. One major pro is convenience. You can connect with licensed attorneys from anywhere, often within hours. This is ideal for urgent questions, small disputes, or preliminary advice before committing to a full legal engagement. For example, a small business owner needing clarification on contract clauses can get guidance without scheduling an in-person meeting. Another advantage is transparency. Avvo shows attorney ratings, reviews, and areas of expertise. This helps users make informed decisions about who they consult, reducing the risk of mismatched expectations or poor advice. However, there are cons. Online consultations are often limited in scope. Complex cases like litigation or estate disputes may require more in-depth review than a brief online session allows. Additionally, fees can add up if multiple follow-ups are needed, and some users find that communication through the app can feel less personal than in office meetings. In conclusion, the Avvo Online Legal Consultations app is a valuable tool for quick, convenient legal guidance. It's best suited for straightforward questions, urgent matters, or initial consultations. While it doesn't replace full legal representation for complex issues, it offers an accessible and transparent way to get expert input without leaving home.